enjoying a stroll in nature, or even the shoreline of beaches. If you said yes to any of these, then bring your A game on and help prevent acid rain.
There's a new world coming, and it's just around the bend. There's a new world coming. This one's coming to an end.
So, if it ever rained sulfuric acid on the surface of the Earth, most life would be reduced to carbon pillars just like that. But what about our cities and monuments? Paris, France. If a corrosive downpour of sulfuric acid descended on the iron structure of the Eiffel Tower,
as sulfuric acid hits iron, it turns the iron into iron sulfate. Iron sulfate is crumbly, grainy, it can crystallize, it's rather brittle, doesn't contribute to any strength at all. You will get a kind of a little bit of a green cloud around the Eiffel Tower because you have so much acid coming so fast. And then you begin to see the first little signs of failure in the arches that hold the entire structure up. And you begin to see a slight deformation, and some of the rivets begin to fail. And as they fail, the structure itself begins to warp on its own weight and then fall.